Hello students, welcome to Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to begin a new chapter in mathematics, that is Heron's formula. You are all very familiar with many geometrical figures. Among them, here I have drawn some geometrical figures. Could you identify what are these? Yes, these are all triangles. In triangles only we have different types based on the sides as well as angles. Now could you tell what type of triangle is first one? Very good. It is a right triangle or right angle triangle. Means a triangle in which one angle is 90 degree is called a right angle triangle. Then go to the second one. What type of triangle it is? It is an equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all the three sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle. Third one, very good. It is an isosceles triangle. That is, a triangle in which two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle. Whereas, in fourth triangle you can come to know that here all the three sides are different. Then what do you call a triangle in which all the three sides are unequal? Very good. It is called a scaling triangle. Dear students, even we have already come to know one of the general formula that we use to find out area of the triangle. Could you tell? Yes, it is half into base into height. Right? Once I repeat, area of triangle is half into base into height. If it is so, for which of these four triangles we can use this formula to find out area of the triangle? Yes, you are right. It is for first one. That is, to find out the area of the right triangle, we use the formula. It is half into base into height. See that? Square unit. Square unit is the standard unit of area. What about second one? Can we go for using the same formula? No. For an equilateral triangle, again we have come to know formula to find out area. That is, it is area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. Square units. Here root 3 is there. Root 3, what is its value? It is 1.73 or 1.732 or 1.73205. After decimal, if you know two digits, it's enough. Whereas third one, look at here, in an isosceles triangle, we know the base and even height is also known. Suppose even if height is not known and equal sides are known, you can find out area of the isosceles triangle by drawing the perpendicular. We know that perpendicular drawn in an isosceles triangle bisects the vertex angle as well as the base. Followed? Then you will get half of the base. And you know this side. Using Pythagoras theorem also you can find out height. After finding the height, you can use the formula. That is half into base into height. Square units. Then what formula should be used to find out area of a scaling triangle? Okay, in which all the three sides are unequal. We have a formula to find out area of a scaling triangle. It was derived by a great mathematician. He is an Egyptian mathematician. He is Heron. He is also known as Heron. And he has given a lot of contribution to the field of particularly geometry. It may be to find out the area of the solid figures like area of the cone, area of the sphere, surface area of cones, spheres, hemispheres, cylinders, even some of the plane figures like squares, rectangles, triangles, then regular quadrilaterals, regular polygons, and even he has also given the derivation to find out the area of a scalene triangle, and we call that formula as Heron's formula. Let me tell you what is that formula. Look here, area of a scalene triangle is equal to, it is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, square units. Then you all may be thinking that what does s represent and what do a, b and c represent? Here a, b and c, they are all the sides of the triangle. Then s is semi-perimeter, means half of the perimeter. Then what is perimeter? It is the sum of all the sides of the triangle, right? That means a plus b plus c. This is the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Then half of this can be written as by 2. This is only s, followed where s is semi-perimeter. Yeah. Dear students, in today's class we are going to solve the problems on Heron's formula. This is Heron's formula. Once I repeat, it is square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where s is semi-perimeter, that is a plus b plus c whole divided by 2. Yes. Now you just go for writing the name of the chapter in the regular pattern. First write the chapter number, then chapter name. After that, on the right side write today's date. Dear students, now you will go for copying from there to here. First you have to write the side heading triangles. In that, one by one. First, write right triangle or right angle triangle. Draw the figure, write its formula. And second one, equilateral triangle. Draw the figure, then write the formula. Third one, isosceles triangle. Same. And for fourth one, scalene triangle. And draw this and write this formula. And one more information. See that. This is Heron's formula, which can be used to find out area of any type of triangle when three sides of them are known. Followed? Yes. Please go for copying this. After that, we will move on to solve some of the problems. Yes. Dear students, now we are moving to some of the worked example. In that, I have written first one. Please go through this. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 32 centimeter, 40 centimeter and 24 centimeter. It's very simple. Here first let me write the data. They have given the sides. Let us assume the sides as A, B and C. Here I write. Let A equal to 32 centimeter, B equal to 40 centimeter and C equal to 24 centimeter. Followed? You are going to find out area of triangle. Let it be question. You can observe that here 32, 40 and 24, they are all the sides of a triangle. But what type of triangle it is? It is a scalene triangle. Then which formula can be used to find out area of a scalene triangle? Very good. That is Heron's formula. Then to find out, so to use Heron's formula, first you must find out semi-perimeter. Yes. Just observe it. Please don't go for copying anything. I'll give you time. Here semi-perimeter S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. It's equal to, what is A? It is 32 centimeter plus B is 40 centimeter and C, this is 24 centimeter divided by 2. That is equal to, just go for adding them. See that 40 plus 30, 70, 70 plus 20, 90, 90 plus 4, 94, 94 plus 2, 96 divided by 2. Or else you can go for adding with the digits. 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Then 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Again 96. This is equal to, here 2 4s are 8, 1 will remain, it becomes 16, 2 8s are. So S equal to 48 centimeter. This is semi-perimeter. Now let us go for finding the area of the triangle by Heron's formula. Heron's formula is also known as Hero's formula. Please do remember that. According to this, area of triangle is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Let us substitute. It is equal to square root of, where S is 48, then S minus A, 48 minus A is 32, into S minus B, 48 minus B is 40, into S minus C, that is 48 minus C is 24. Now, this is equal to, again, square root of, let me write 48 as it is. What is 48 minus 32? It is 60, or else 8 minus 2, 6, 4 minus 3, 1, into 48 minus 40, it is 8. 48 minus 24, it is 24. Now to find out the area of triangle, you have to remove all of these numbers from root. Hence, they must be expressed as perfect squares. Look here already 16 is a perfect square. Whereas 48 can be written as the product of a perfect square and other number is, yes, could you tell? Very good, it is 63 is up. Followed here on right, 48 as 16 3s up. Next 16 as it is. Next 8 is there. 8 can be written as, it is, let us write one thing. Let us write 8 as it is. The reason is 24 is the multiple of 8. 8 how much is 24? 8 3s are. Followed. Now you can observe that here 16 and 16, 3 into 3, then 8 into 8. It can be written as square root of, you may write it directly, but I am extending it to one more step. 16 into 16, it is 16 square, into 3 into 3, this is 3 square. Next 8 into 8, 8 square, which is equal to, what is square root of 16 square? Very good, it is 16, because root and square, they get cancelled. Similarly for these also, square root of 3 square, 3. Square root of 8 square, 8 is equal to 16 3s up. It is 48 into 8. Go for multiply. 8 8s are 64. 6 is the carry. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6, 38. 384 centimeter square. This is area of triangle. Now let me write the conclusion. Therefore, the area of given triangle is 384 centimeter square. So now you may go for copying this completely from there to here. Afterwards, I'll go for taking one more problem. Dear students, now we are moving to second one. It is also similar to previous one. See that find the area of the triangle whose sides are 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Hope that you are all able to do this yourself. Do one thing. Pausing the video, copy the statement and write yourself from data up to conclusion. Afterwards, you can cross check with my writing. Hope that you all have finished it, right? Okay, now just observe the board and you should also cross check with my writing. Here, I'll take the sides of a triangle as A, B and C, where A is 8 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter, C C is 12 centimeter. You are going to find out area of triangle. Question mark. Next, calculation. In the calculation, the first part is you should find out semi-perimeter, right? So what is the formula used to find out semi-perimeter? Yes, it is A plus B plus C whole divided by 2. Now go for substituting. A is 8 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter and C is 12 centimeter. Divided by 2. What is 10 plus 8? 18. Plus 12? 30. 30 by 2. This is 15 centimeter. So semi-perimeter is 15 centimeter. Now let us find out area of triangle by using Heron's formula. Here I write by Heron's formula. Yes, recall that formula. It is area of triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is equal to square root of, okay, let us go for substituting. S is, it is 15. S minus A, 15 minus 8. S minus B, 15 minus 10. S minus C, 15 minus 12. Now this is equal to square root of, it is 15 into 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 minus 10 is 5. 15 minus 12, this is 3. Follow? Once you can check that. 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 minus 10 is 5. 15 minus 12 is 3. This is equal to square root of, here 15 is there. Observe. Let me write this 15 as it is because here 5 3 is 15. Or else you may also write 15 as 5 into 3. However you want. It is 7 into 5 3 is 15. It is equal to square root of, what is 15 into 15? 15 square into 7. This is equal to square root of 15 square is 15 only. Whereas root 7 should be written as it is. So this is area of triangle. 15 into root 7 centimeter square. If the value of root 7 is given, then you can go for substituting and simplify. If not, you may write up to their own. Hope that you all have got the same answer. Right? Okay. Here I will write the conclusion. Therefore, the area of given scalene triangle is 15 into root 7 centimeter square. Okay. Cross check. If not written, just go for copying. Now, dear students, now we are moving to second type. In the first type, they had given all the three sides of the triangle and we were asked to find out the area of the triangle. But here, observe, the sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. Here, have I given the sides? Yes, but these sides are in the ratio 3:5:7. Then do you think that one side is 3 meter, another side is 5 meter, one more side is 7 meter? You cannot, because on adding all these, see that 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. 15 meter is not equal to 300 meter. Hence, we need to find out the sides of the triangle. Afterwards, we can go for finding. Got it? Now, let me explain that. Observe the board and listen to me carefully. Here I write first data. The sides are in the ratio. Here I write let A, B and C be the sides of triangle. Sides of a triangle. If it is so, then we can write A is to B is to C. This is equal to 3:5:7. Next, perimeter is given. Perimeter is nothing but the sum of all the three sides. It is in bracket I'll write A plus B plus C. It is equal to 300 meter. Followed. With this information, we are going to find out area of triangle. Here, let us find out that. To find out area of triangle, first you must know the sides, then you must know the semi-perimeter. First, let us find out the sides of the triangle. How do you go for finding? Yes. Here, the sides are given in the ratio 3:5:7. Let us use that ratio. Alright. Sum of terms of ratio. Sum of terms of ratio, that is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 7. This is equal to 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. Followed? Now let us go for finding the sides one by one. What is the first side? It is A. See, total how many parts are there? 15 parts are there. With respect to A, how many are there? Only 3. So out of 15 parts, 3, or else out of 15 meter, 3 meter is there, but overall perimeter of the triangle is 300. It is 1s are, it is 2s are, 0s are. It is equal to 23s are 60 meter. Followed. Similarly, B, out of 15 meter, B is of 5 meter, should be calculated for 300 meter. It is again 20s are, 25s are, 100 meter. Next, C, out of 15 meter, C is of 7 meter, it should be calculated for 300. It is 20s are, 27s are, it is 140 meter. See that these are the sides. On adding all the sides, what should be the perimeter? 300. Just go for checking. See, 100 plus 60, 160. 60 plus 160 plus 140, it is 300. Clear? Okay. Next, let us find out semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is, it is half of the perimeter. A plus B plus C by 2. Perimeter has already been written. It is 300 meter by 2. It is equal to 150 meter. This is semi-perimeter. Next, we know all the three sides and semi-perimeter. You can find out area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. Here I write. By Heron's formula, we can write area of triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is equal to square root of, now go for substituting, S is 150 into 150 minus A, it is 60. 150 minus B is 100 into 150 minus C, this is 140. Followed? Now this is equal to square root of 150 as it is. What is 150 minus 60? Very good, it is 90. 150 minus 100 is just 50. 150 minus 140, this is 10. Now this is equal to, look at here 150 is 10 and here is 50. Can we express this as the multiple of 15? Yes. By how much? 3 is up. Here are like 50, 3 is up. Next, what about 90? In 90, 9 is the perfect square, right? We can write it as 9 into 10. 10 9s are 90. 50, let me write this 50 as it is into 10 as it is. Because 50 is repeated by 2 times. Next, 10 is repeated by 2 times. Whereas 9 is square of 3. This is equal to 50 into 50, 50 square into 9, it is 3 square, and 10 into 10, it is 10 square into, whereas remaining 3 you may write it as it is. This is equal to, directly we should go for writing the number by removing the root. What is square root of 50 square? Very good, it is 50. Square root of 3 square? 3. 10 square? 10. Whereas root 3 as it is. Now 50 tens are 500. 500 threes are, it is 1500 into root 3. It is meter square. This is area of plot. We can write the conclusion that therefore the area of triangular plot is how much? It is 1500 into root 3 meter square. Yeah. Now please go for copying this completely from there to here. Afterwards I'll give you same type of problem. Dear students, please go through this fourth one. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. With this information you are going to find out its area. Hope that you are all able to do this, right? Yes, copy the statement and try to solve this problem yourself. Hope that you have finished this. Now observe. So first let me write data. Here also they have given the sides in the ratio 12:17:25. So let me assume A, B and C as the sides of the triangle. B, the sides of a triangle. Then we can write A is to B is to C is equal to 12:17:25. Followed. Next, even they have given perimeter as well. Perimeter, it is nothing but A plus B plus C is equal to 540 centimeter. Right? Now with this information, let us go for finding area of triangle. Here, we all know that what are all the steps to be followed to find out area of the triangle. So first we have to find out all the sides of the triangle. How do you go for finding? Very good. First, by finding the sum of terms of ratio. Here I'll write sum of terms of ratio. This is equal to, it is 12 plus 17 plus 25. It is equal to, how much it is? See the 25 plus 17, 25, 35, 42, right? 42 plus 12 is 52 plus 2, 54. Got it? Now let us go for finding all the three sides. A, out of 54, then A is 12 and it should be calculated for 540. It is very simple. Look at 54 ones are, 54 tens are, 12 tens are, it is 120. Similarly, as it is 10, 17 tens are 170, 25 tens are 250. So, it is 120 centimeter. Next, B, this is equal to, out of 54, 17 is of B, should be calculated for 540, ones are tens are, it is 170 centimeter. Next, C, out of 54, C is of 25, should be calculated for 540, ones are tens are, 25 tens are, it is 250 centimeter. Just go for adding them. Here, 120, 170, it is 290, 290, 390, 490, 490 plus 50, 540. See that perimeter is 540. Clear? Okay. After this, we should find out semi-perimeter, where semi-perimeter is half of perimeter, a plus b plus c by 2. This is equal to, where a plus b plus c is, it is 540 by 2. This is equal to, cancel. It is 2 2s are 4, 1 will remain 14, 7s are 0. So 270 centimeter. This is semi-perimeter. Next, we have to use Heron's formula to find out area of the scaling triangle. Yes, here I write. By Heron's formula. Yes, what is that? It is area of triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, right? This is equal to square root of, where semi-perimeter is 270, then s minus a 270 minus a is 120, 270 minus b is 170 and 270 minus c is, it is 250. 250. Followed? Now this is equal to square root of, let me write 270 as it is into 270 minus 120, it is 150 into 270 minus 170 is 100 into 270 minus 250, it is 20. Followed? Now this is equal to square root of, you can observe that here 100 is already a perfect square, no need to disturb this one. Whereas here 270, 150 and 20, how do you go for taking? Here 15 is there, here 27 is there. Now can we write this in terms of 9? See that 9 3s are 27. Followed? Here I will write 9 into 3, 9 3s are 27 into 10. 9 3s are 27, 27 10s are, it is 270. Whereas 150, it is, here also let us take 10 into 15, but 15 is not there, 3 is there, hence I will write 10 15s are 150, 15 is to be written as 3 5s are. Followed? Next, here 20 is there, 20 can be written as, here 5 is there, 5 4s are. Followed? 5 4s are. Next, into 100, let me write this as it is. Once I repeat, 270 is written as 9 3s are into 10. 150 is written as 10 3s are, then 30, 35 are 150. 20 is written as 5 4s are. Remaining 100 is kept as it is. Now this is equal to square root of, look here 9 is there, I will write 3 square. Next, this 3 and this 3, it is 3 square. This 10 and this 10, it is 10 square. These two, 5 into 5, 5 square. Whereas 4 is 2 square and 100 is 10 square. Got it? Now this is equal to, what is square root of 3 square? Very good, 3. This 3 square, 3. 10 square, 10. 5 square, 5. 2 square, 2. 10 square, 10. Now let us go for multiplying all of these. 10 2s are 20. 20 5s are 100. 100 10s are 1000. 1000 3s are 3000. 3000 3s are 9000. So 9000 centimeter square. Yes. Hope that all of you have got the same. So I'll write the conclusion. Therefore, the area of given triangle is, it is 9000 centimeter square. Followed? Please go for copying this complete. Dear students, now we are moving to third type. Just recall first two types. In the first type, all the three sides were given, right? In the second type, they had given the sides in the form of ratio with perimeter. Whereas in the third type, they will give you two sides and a perimeter. With that information, we should find out area of the triangle. Let me go for explaining. Before that, please go through the given step. It is, find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter, and the perimeter is 32 centimeter. They only are given the figure. ABC is a triangle. AB is 8 centimeter, AC is 11 centimeter. Followed? Not only this, your perimeter is, it is 32 centimeter. If you want to find out area of the triangle, obviously you have to use the formula, that is Heron's formula, square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is semi-perimeter. So how do you find out semi-perimeter? As perimeter is already given, it's half, that is 32 by 2, it is 60, right? And we need to know one more side. But how do you go for finding that side? Yes, we know that perimeter is the sum of all the three sides. Two sides are given, you should find out third side also. Let me go for explaining this. Observe. Here, Tata. ABC is a triangle. Here, I'll take AB as A. It's equal to 8 centimeter. AC as B. I call it as B. It is 11 centimeter. C is unknown. Perimeter has been given. Perimeter, nothing but perimeter. It is A plus B plus C. C is another side. It's equal to 32 centimeter. With this information, we have to find out area of triangle ABC. This is clear? Okay. Now let's move on to calculation. So first we have to find out the third side. Let us use perimeter formula to find out the third side. What is perimeter formula? Here, perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. How much is? It is 32. And where A is 8, B is 11, C is unknown. Next, 32. What is 8 plus 11? It is 19. Transfer that to the left hand side. It becomes minus 19. Now C equal to, it is 32 minus 19. 12 minus 9 is 3. Then it is 2 minus 1 is 1. 30 centimeter. You may call this as BC. BC equal to C is equal to 13 centimeter. All the three sides are known. Now you may go for finding semi-perimeter. That is S. S is A plus B plus C by 2. What is A plus B plus C? This is 32. Nothing but perimeter. By 2, it is equal to 60 centimeter. Now after this, let's go for finding the area by using Heron's formula. I'll write it. By Heron's formula, this is area of triangle ABC. It is square root of S into S minus AB. AB is A. You can write S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Go for taking substitution with S is 16. 16 minus A is 8. 16 minus B is 11. 16 minus C, just we have found out, it is 13 centimeter. Is equal to square root of, it is 16 into 16 minus 8 is 8 only. 16 minus 11 is 5. 16 minus 13, this is 3. Followed? Now Now this is equal to square root of, observe it, here 16 is there, here 8 is there. 16 is the multiple of 8. Hence, I can write 16 as 8 into 2 into 8 as it is. Then 5 3s are 15. This is equal to square root of 8 into 8, 8 square into 15 2s are, this is 30. It's equal to square root of 8 square is 8 into root 30 as it is. This is area of triangle ABC, centimeters square. So now let me write the conclusion. Therefore, the area of triangle is how much? 8 into root 30 centimeter square. Now please go for copying from there to here. Yes, please go through the sixth one. It is similar to fifth one. Try to do this yourself. Hope that you all have calculated this, right? Okay, observe. Here, first let me write data. Please go through the given statement once. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. And the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Here, just like they are not given the figure, you may draw, or else just directly you can go for assuming the sides. Let A, B and C be the sides of a triangle. Then they have given two sides. Let us take A is 18 centimeter, then B is 10 centimeter, C is unknown, whereas perimeter is given. Perimeter is nothing but A plus B plus C is 42 centimeter. With this information, we are going to find out area of triangle. Followed? Okay. Next. Here, let us find out a side of a triangle, that is third side. A and B are known. How do you find out third side? Very simple. Perimeter minus sum of these two. You may write it directly also. Okay. Here I write calculation. Perimeter A plus B plus C, this is 32 centimeter. 42. Where A is 18 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter, C is unknown. Then C is equal to 42. What is 18 plus 10? It is 28. Transfer that to the right hand side. Minus 28. So C is equal to 42 minus 28. See, 12 minus 8, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 14 centimeter. Followed? Now, it implies that when you know third side, you should also find out semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter? It is half of sum of all the three sides of triangle. That is A plus B plus C whole divided by 2. Sum is known. It is 42. By 2, this will be 21 centimeter. Next, we should find out area. To find out area of the triangle, we have to use Heron's formula. Here I will write by Hero's formula, because Heron's formula is also known as Hero's formula. It is area of triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is equal to square root of, where S is 21 into 21 minus A. What is A? It is 18. 21 minus B. It is 10 centimeter. And S minus C, that is S is 21. C is, it is 14. This is equal to square root of, let me write 21 and it is 21 minus 18, this is 3. into 21 minus 10, 11 into 21 minus 14, this is 7. It's equal to square root of, observe it, 11 and 3. 11 into 3 is 21. Here already 21 is there. Alright, 21 into 21. 11 as it is. What is 21? Square root of 21 into 21? Directly we may write 21 or else 21 square into 11. Square root of 21 square? 21 into 11. Here 11 ones are 11, 1 is a carry. 11 twos are 22 plus 1, 23. It is 231 centimeter square. This is area of triangle. Hope that all of you have got the same answer. So it is root 11. Now, hope that you might have got this answer. 21 into root 11 centimeter square. Got it? Let me write the conclusion. Therefore, the area of given triangle is 21 into root 11 centimeter square. Please go for copy this. Yes, students, now we are moving to fourth type. Here different statements are given, and based on that statement we have to find out the area of the triangle. Just to recall the first three types. Yes, in the first one all the three sides were given. Second one, the ratio of the sides were given with perimeter, and the third type, two sides and perimeter. Now this is fourth one. Please go through the statement. It is a triangular part ABC. See that this is ABC is a triangular part. Has sides 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. A gardener, Dhania, has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside it. Now first sub question from here. It is how much area does she need to plant? Got it? And second one, find the cost of fencing it with a barbed wire at a rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for the gate on one side. Followed? Okay. Dear students, here they have given two sub questions. Let us go for answering one by one. First one is, how much area does she need to plant? See, it is the triangular part. In that, the grass has to be planted. So obviously, the area that we need to plant the grass, it is area of the triangle. First, let us focus on finding area of the triangle. Yes. Before that, let me write data. It is ABC is a triangular part. ABC is a triangular part. Next, they are given the sides. AB is how much? It is 50 meter. I take this as small. BC, this is 120 meter, and let us take this as small. 120 meter. Next, AC is small c, it is 80 meter. Okay. Next, apart from this, they have given the rate of rupees 20 per meter. So, cost of fencing, cost per meter, it is equal to rupees 20. And the width of the gate, it is 3 meter. Width of the gate is 3 meter. Followed? Next, you are going to find out area as well as total cost of fencing. Area of park in which grass has to be planted, and total cost of fencing. Total cost of fencing. Now let's go for calculating. As I said, let us focus on first one, finding the area of the triangle. All the three sides are known. You can find out area of this triangle by using Heron's formula. And first to find out semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter? Yes, very good. It is A plus B plus C by 2. And all this, A is 50 meter, B is 120 meter and C is 80 meter. Divided by 2. It is equal to 120 plus 80, 200. 200 plus 50, 250. So it is 250 by 2 is equal to 125 meter. This is semi-perimeter. Let us find out the area. Here. How do you find out area? Yes, you are right. By using Heron's formula. Here I am right. By Heron's formula. What is that? Yes, this is area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now let us go for substitution. Where S is 125 into 125 minus A is 50. 125 minus B, it is 120. Into 125 minus C, that is 80 meter. This is equal to square root of 125 as it is. 125 minus 50, very good, it is 75. 125 minus 120, it is just 5. Then 125 minus 80, it is 45. Followed. Next, observe it. Here 125, here 75. Both are the multiples of 25, right? Hence we can write 25 5s are 125. Next, 75 can also be written as 25 3s are. Next, here 5, let me write this as it is. Whereas 45, you can write this as 15 3s are. Yes, 15 3s are. Because here is 3, here is 3. Got it? Next, this is equal to square root of, observe, 25 repeated by 2 times, so 25 square into 5 and 5 repeated by 2 times, it is 5 square. 3 and 3 also, 3 square, whereas 15 as it is. What is square root of 25 square? Very good, 25. 5 square, 5. 3 square, 3. So root 15 as it is. This is equal to 25 5s are 75. Sorry, 125. 125 3s are, it is 375. Root 15 meter square. This is area of triangle ABC. What does ABC indicate? It is the triangular shaped part. So now we can write, therefore, the area in which Dhania needs 375 into root 15 meter square area to plant the grass. Followed? So let me write the conclusion here. Therefore, the area needed by Dhania to plant grass is 375 root 15 meter square. Followed? Now we have answered for first one. Next, we are moving to answer second one. Before that, copy this completely. Dear students, hope that you have written first one. Now, we are moving to second. Go through that second statement. It is, find the cost of fencing the triangular park with barbed wire at the rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space for gate which is 3 meter wide. That means, look here, for fencing, you can consider the perimeter of the triangular park. But in that, you have to leave 3 meter. That means 3 meters should be subtracted. Then what is the length of the barbed wire required? Here I write. Length of barbed wire required. This is equal to, look here. We need the sum of all the three sides, that is A plus B plus C. In that 3 meters should not be considered because it will be used for the gate. Hence I will write 3 meter. Got it? Now this is equal to, what is A? A is 50 meter, B is 120 meter and C is 80 meter. Minus 3. It is 120 plus 80, 200 plus 50, 250. Minus 3. How much? It is 247 meter. This is the length of the barbed wire required. But now we are going to find out the cost of fencing it with a barbed wire at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. So here I will write that total cost of fencing. Total cost of fencing. It is 247 meter is there, but every meter how much rupees? Rupees 20. Here I will write rupees 20 is equal to rupees, multiply this, 0 as it is, 2 7s are 14, carry 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9, 2 2s are 4, 4,940 rupees. Got it? So let me write the conclusion. Therefore, the cost of fencing the triangular park with the barbed wire is rupees 4,940. Clear up? Please go for copying this. Dear students, now we are moving to 8th one. This is also interesting one because here we know how to find out area of an equilateral triangle by using the formula root 3 by 4 into a square. But the same area can also be found out by using Heron's formula as well. Such question is given. Please go through this. See, find the area of an equilateral triangle of each side 10 centimeter using Heron's formula. Then how to find out? Let me go for explaining that. Here I will write first data, and for this let me draw the rough sketch. See that this is an equilateral triangle. I will name it as ABC. And as it is an equilateral triangle, all sides will be equal. And each of its side is, they only are given 10 centimeter. We have to find out its area by using Heron's formula. Here, ABC is an equilateral triangle. Then AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to 10 centimeter. And let us go for taking the sides as, let A equal to AB equal to 10 centimeter. Because to use the Heron's formula, you must know small a, small b and small c. They are the sides. B equal to BC equal to 10 centimeter. C equal to AC, that is also equal to 10 centimeter. We have to find out area of triangle ABC. Here, let me show you how to find out area of this triangle. First, what should be found out? Very good. It is semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter formula? It is S equal to A plus B plus C by 2, where A is 10, B is 10, even C is also 10. This is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10. This is 30. By 2, it is 15 centimeter. This is semi-perimeter. Next, let us find out area of triangle by using Heron's formula. By Heron's formula, we can write area of triangle ABC. This is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is equal to square root of, where S is 15 centimeter, 15 minus A is 10, 15 minus B is 10, 15 minus C is also 10. This is equal to square root of, here 15 into 15 minus 10 is 5. 15 minus 10, here also 5. 15 minus 10, 5. Followed? Next, this is equal to square root of, here 15 is there. We know that 15 is the multiple of 5. Hence, we can write 3 5s up. Then remaining 5 into 5 into 5 as it is. Now, let me continue that here. Observe. It is square root of 3 as it is, whereas 5 into 5, it is 5 square. Another 5 into 5, 5 square. This is equal to square root of, right. What is square root of 5 square? 5. 5 square, again 5 into root 3 as it is. 5 5s are 25 into root 3 centimeter square. This is area of triangle ABC. Followed? Now, let me write the conclusion. Therefore, the area of given triangle is 25 into root 3 centimeter square. Got it? Dear students, this area can also be found out without using Heron's formula. So let me show you that also. Before that, please go for copy up to here. Here I am showing you in another method without using Heron's formula. Without using Heron's formula. They have given each side of an equilateral triangle. That is right. Let A equal to 10 centimeter. You are going to find out area of triangle. Question mark. Calculation. Area of an equilateral triangle. Here I write area of equilateral triangle. It is root 3 by 4 into side square. Side is A. It is A square. It is equal to root 3 by 4 into A. What is A? It is 10 into 10. Observe, 2 2s are 2 5s. 2 1s are 2 5s are. What is 5 5s are? It is 25 into root 3 centimeter square. So, area of equilateral triangle is 25 into root 3 centimeter square. So, this is a simple method. But please do remember, if they ask you to find out the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula only, you must follow these steps. If it is not mentioned, you can write it directly like this. Just copy this also. Dear students, hope that you have written up to date. In today's class, what are the problems we have solved with respect to Heron's formula chapter? All are important. Please work out all of them without fail today itself. And in tomorrow's class, let's go for continuing the same chapter. So with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.